Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be talking about the Siang hydropower project. That is the protest against the Upper Siang hydropower project. So there is this hydropower project which is taking place or which is being built on the Siang river, and this Siang river is in which state of India? It is Arunachal Pradesh. But as of now, what is being seen that there is a protest with regard to this hydropower project. And if we talk about Arunachal Pradesh as a state, then Arunachal Pradesh already has a lot of dam projects going on in the state, and this is also one of the reasons that why there is protest with regard to this project going on. But this project holds a strategic importance. Let us know why. So the points of discussion, first of all about the news, then what is Upper Siang project, about the river Siang river also, then what are the environmental concerns raised by the environmentalists or the activists. In the end, prelims MCQ. Topic is of relevance from general studies paper 1 and paper 3. Paper 1 that is geography and paper 3 that is environmental concerns. So the news talks about why locals are protesting against the Upper Siang hydropower project in Arunachal Pradesh. See, few basic things you should know. River involved is Siang, state involved is Arunachal Pradesh, and this is a hydropower project. It is a hydropower project. Dams are also getting built within this project, and it is taking place in the Upper Siang region of the Arunachal Pradesh. These are the basic things of this topic. So the activists from the Arunachal Pradesh, they are protesting against the proposed Upper Siang hydropower project and citing the reasons as environmental concerns, and few of the reasons that are Arunachal Pradesh as a state already has so many projects, hydropower projects and dams are being built that the ecology, environment, biodiversity, wildlife, flora and fauna, the indigenous communities of that region and the fragile ecosystem of Arunachal Pradesh will be hampered. These are the regions that will burn the cost of this project being built. So the flora and fauna, the habitat, the biodiversity, the ecosystem is what will bear the cost of this hydropower project, and this is what is the concern of the environmentalists and the activists. So now let us know about the project and about the river. So Upper Siang project. Now what is this project? So it is a proposed 11,000 megawatt hydropower project and is being built on the Siang river in the Upper Siang districts of the Arunachal Pradesh. And the river Siang, it originates near the Mount Kailash in Tibet. So Siang river, which we call Siang river, does not originate in India. It originates in Tibet and the origin is near Mount Kailash. And when it flows in Tibet, around 1000 kilometers, it flows in Tibet and it flows in the eastward direction like this. The name is Sangpo. So in Tibet, it is referred to as Sangpo. Then in Arunachal Pradesh, there are hills named Namcha Barwa. So it takes a sharp turn through the Namcha Barwa and enters into Arunachal Pradesh. And when it enters into Arunachal Pradesh, it is known as Siang River. In Arunachal Pradesh, it is known as Siang River. And when from Arunachal Pradesh, it moves to Assam, it is called Brahmaputra. It is called Brahmaputra. Then from Assam, it moves to Bangladesh, and from Bangladesh, it moves to Bay of Bengal. And this river is important from both Tibet perspective, then China perspective, and then from India perspective. India perspective because it flows from Arunachal Pradesh to Assam and has a lot of water capacity. The water holding capacity is also very high, and it is important for Tibet and China because it is one of the major rivers of that region, and also China is planning to build a dam on it, because if we will look at the map of China, then we will know that the northern regions of China are parched areas. So to supply water from the southern region or to build a dam on the Tsangpo river, then water can be diverted from southern region to the northern regions. Now let us know about the Upper Siang project. So Siang originates near Mount Kailash in Tibet, and it is known as Tsangpo. Then a sharp turn around the Namcha Barwa peak in Arunachal Pradesh, and then it enters in Arunachal Pradesh and it is named as Siang river. In Assam it becomes the mighty Brahmaputra. So this is about the Siang river. And then if we talk about the Siang project, Upper Siang project, then in the year 2017, the government proposed to replace the placed Siang Upper Stage 1 and Siang Upper Stage 2 hydel projects with a single multi-purpose project of higher capacity. So earlier in the year 2017 or before that, it was proposed that this project will take place in 2 stages. But now in the year 2017, the government decided that instead of the project being done in 2 stages, there should be a single multi-purpose project, and this project will be of a higher capacity. And it is being built by the National Hydroelectric Power Corporation. Then the project would entail construction of a 300-meter high dam. So a 300-meter high dam would be constructed, and this will be the largest in the subcontinent. So in the Indian subcontinent, this will be the largest dam which will be built. And there are as of now 29 hydroelectric projects in the Siang river basin. So the Siang river basin in itself has a 29 hydroelectric projects, and that is why it is said that Arunachal Pradesh, within Arunachal Pradesh, there is a lot of hydropower projects and dams that are being built, which is harming the ecology of the region. Now look at this map. This is Arunachal Pradesh, and this is the Tsangpo river which is coming. So when this Tsangpo river it comes, see, this is how it moves, and this is where the region of Namcha Barwa, and the river is taking a turn, and this is how it moves into Arunachal Pradesh, and it is named as Siang, and then it moves into Assam, and Assam it becomes the mighty Brahmaputra. So this is about the river Siang. Now the environmental concerns that I already told you, deforestation. So whenever any kind of construction or infrastructure takes place, deforestation is one of the most basic things which takes place and becomes very destructive for the environment. Then indigenous communities will be displaced because the construction of the dam takes a lot of space, and the people who are living there, the indigenous people, they need to be displaced from one place to another place. And then delicate ecosystem, wildlife, habitat, biodiversity, the animals which are living in those areas will also have to move, as the habitat, their original habitat, will create disturbance for them. So these are few of the concerns which are being raised by the environmentalists and the activists. Now in the end, the prelims MCQ, and you people will give me the answer in the comment section. The Brahmaputra river is known in Arunachal Pradesh by which of the following names? Siang, Tsangpo, Padma, or none of the above? Give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.